So I'm going to hold that up because it's actually quite heavy. Die-cast model is very, very heavy. But in doing that, I'm pulling it further away.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Now, this thing is not going to fall off this, is it?
No,
So,
I think it should be okay.
All right. So I'm going to start with the engine compartment.
Yep.
Because it's held up with currently. They do come with props.
I do.
But we didn't know that at the time.
So I thought we'll put in a wooden stick because it'll be quite gentle.
So I'm going to hold that up because it's actually quite heavy. Die-cast model is very, very heavy. I don't know if you want to zoom in maybe a little bit.
I can do that.
Get right in there and have a look at the... Oh, look at that beautiful detail. It's not at that height. Yep.
How's that?
So you can see there we've got our air boxes.
So it's actually carbon fiber finish on those air boxes.
Isn't it? I can't get the lighting right because it's...
I might have to point it forward, eh?
Have a look at the... You can see the wheel arch there.
Oh, yeah. So
And
that's a matte carbon fiber.
And there's matte carbon fiber and gloss carbon fiber within the same compartment.
Yep.
That detail is phenomenal.
Beautiful.
Now I'm just going to...
the wiring as well.
I'm just going to shut that. There we go.
You can see how nicely the panel shuts as well.
I know, and have a look at the gaps.
Yeah.
Like, it is really, really nice.
Yeah.
We can have a look around on the interior.
Yep.
Look, it's even got the tire placard on the door. We've got the steering wheel, got your console, your center console there with your drive selectors, all the dials on the steering wheel.
And so the outside there, it's actually a carbon fiber monocoque in there, isn't it?
Yes. Yep, carbon fiber monocoque chassis. You can see it on the sills and stuff.
Yeah.
Again, the camera does not. You never need the macro.
You want macro? You want to see the ant? You want ant scale.
And yeah, I'm just going to shut this door like so, and have a look at the gap. It's absolutely square. Coming around now, beautiful LaFerrari and base plate. The paintwork is just like glass, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
and the glass is like glass.
The glass looks like glass.
Really, really nice fixtures and finish for a die-cast. Having a look into the boot compartment, the front compartment there.
What's that, a radiator?
Yeah, that's a radiator. You're not really going to put any luggage in there, I'd say that there's actually this part here is where you put your luggage if you're...
Oh, it's a cover.
Yeah. Because the radiators obviously draw through the front and out through the bonnet. Because the car's so low to the ground.
Look at how crisp that Ferrari symbol is on the front.
We can have a look in the front ductwork.
Oh, there are ducts in there.
Quack, quack. Headlight detail.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? With those reflectors at the back of it.
Not as good as my TT02, but close. We'll go ahead and close this one.
Yeah, look at the gap.
Look at the gap.
Panel gap is pretty spectacular.
Super square.
Yeah.
And then coming around,
beautiful
wheels
and
wheels
calipers.
And calipers.
You got a prancing horse there in the middle.
Dark ceramic brakes. You can see the weave in the base even.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a textile carbon weave. There's the seal into the interior. It's quite hard to maneuver at this.
I'm going to close that.
Close this one.
Look at that.
There we go. We can pull it out a bit if you want. Can have a look at the vents and the tail lights.
So if everything closed up, you would not know that they open up.
No.
They're very fine.
Isn't it?
It's very different to, say, a Burago or a Maisto type diecast.
Yeah.
Even a Kyosho diecast, even though they're really high quality, this is amazing. The panel detail here, how it all fits.
Obviously, it has to have a gap because it is movable.
Yes.
You know?
Yes. But the gap is quite minimal.
And it's symmetrical. You know? But the best thing is that it's posable. Could you call it posable? I'm calling it posable.
Yep.
Does the steering wheel work?
Oh, I doubt it.
Should we unscrew it from the base and push it around?
I don't think so.
No?
Want to do it on the ground?
Really cool. And this is 114 out of 120 pieces worldwide.
That's right. So if you're looking for that super special gift
And this
for someone or even for yourself.
This panel, like the venting at the back, is actually panel venting.
Yeah, well, it's
Know what I
fully
mean?
meshed, isn't it?
It is
So
meshed.
if I open that up, you'll be able to see through it, I think.
The camera's not
Maybe
picking
not.
it up.
Okay. But again, when I close it, you can just see how good this panel join is. Look at that. That is amazing.
That is super cool.
How good is it?
I actually thought it was going to be really, really like expensive, but it's super well priced. That is amazing. That is a die cast of die cast.
Magnificent.